Our little island nation, Jamaica, is experiencing development right before our very eyes. This development is transforming lives across Jamaica, one community at a time. Let's shine a light on East Road, a vital roadway in St. Andrew East Central, and the life-changing improvements happening there through the government's ambitious Spark program. For years, the residents of East Road have dealt with damaged roads, difficult commutes, and deteriorating infrastructure. But the government listened and responded with real investment and action. Now, through Spark, shared prosperity through accelerated improvement to our road network, East Road is being completely rehabilitated. Part of a $45 billion national initiative, Spark is upgrading Jamaica's roads while creating real, measurable impact in the daily lives of Jamaicans. Spark is about more than paving roads. It's about strengthening Jamaica's road infrastructure over 2 years by improving secondary, parochial, and community roads. Its goal is to boost economic growth, support community development, and improve nationwide accessibility, all with a focus on shared prosperity. Here in St. Andrew East Central, the residents are already feeling the difference.
It's a good road project, because these years the road been full of potholes and all these things, and the people them complaining about the rain falling and the water coming down on the sidewalk and coming in them yards. So this project is very good for the people them, and them appreciate, love it and everything like that. And kids, everybody, old people, young people, shop people, everybody's so excited about it. It's a very wonderful thing.
I feel so overwhelmed because they are giving us sidewalk, proper road, and the sidewalk helps help who is unable to see. They have a sidewalk and not into the road.
It is very clear that the government is doing a good work towards the road.
Targeted development that reaches right to people's doorsteps. And it doesn't stop at the surface. Spark also improves water systems and drainage, ensuring the communities get the right long-term infrastructure they deserve. Each project is chosen with community consultation, supported by the Constituency Development Fund and agencies like the National Works Agency. Together, they ensure development reflects the real needs of the people. East Road is just the beginning. When we invest in infrastructure, we invest in people, their safety, mobility, opportunity, and pride. That's what community impact is.